Hello and what is going on, guys? It's your boy Miguel here. Welcome back to Miguel EDC. Today we are going to be unboxing a very interesting knife, right? So this I just received this package off of Amazon. I went ahead and kind of made some shortcut openings. CJRB knife. This one is the Pyrite. I believe that is how it is pronounced. And guys, we are on a roll here with all button locks, right? We got button locks for days. If you haven't seen the unboxing video on the SENCUT Crowley, make sure to check the card up here, right? That is a very nice and satisfying button lock. If you haven't seen the video on the SENCUT Sachse, right, this guy right here, make sure to check out the card up there on the top right. We're talking button locks, and yeah, this is as good as it gets. Today we have another addition to the button lock madness, and that is the CJRB Pyrite. And without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look here inside. Kind of opens kind of like an iPhone case in a way, so it's a pretty nice packaging. Some information about CJRB here on the box, and then we have a pouch right here. Let's go ahead and open that. Some silica gel in the box as well. Let's get that out of the way. And yeah, nice pouch here with the logo on the bottom right. Looks like a nice little loop here. If you wanted to carry that somewhere, you can, on your backpack or what have you. It's a zipper pouch, so let's open right into it, and here it is, guys. Yeah. Look at this nice you know, furry material here to keep your knife nice and protected. It does have a pocket on both sides, but the knife is right here, guys. Let's take a look. Close this pouch back up. We'll leave it here in frame so you guys can see what that looks like. But here is the MVP, the highlight of the video. We are unboxing the CJRB Pyrite. As soon as I can get it out of this plastic, boom, there it is, guys. First look, first impressions on the CJRB Pyrite. I went for the all stonewash version, right, all around. This thing is a beauty. By the way, before we open it, right, let me just point out, this guy comes in, by the way, all affiliate links will be in the description, so if you use them, they will support the channel, but that is totally up to you. This guy is coming in at $57.89 right now. This is the lowest price in Amazon in the last 30 days. And they do have some other options, right? You could do G10 blue, all blacked out, G10 black, etc. But yeah, this version right here with the stainless steel handle, that was my go-to for sure. And I mean, I can't wait to get a feel for this guy. So again, if you want to check it out, links will be in the description. And again, we're in the button lock madness, right? This one is, of course, a button lock. So let's go ahead and get a boom. Nice opening right there, right off the bat. And again, I like this guy. It reminds me a lot of this guy, the RUIKE P801. For whatever reason, I do have this guy in you know, stainless steel all around as well, with the stonewash blade finish as well. So yeah, it reminds me a lot of this knife for whatever reason. I mean, look at it. This one, of course, the RUIKE is a little bit longer in the handle, and it's only a flipper, right? So this one is only a flipper, whereas this guy, you don't get a flipper like you do on the SENCUT Crowley or Sachse, right? But yeah, let's check out the opening and closing action. Take a look at that, guys. It kind of bounces too. If you close it too hard, it will bounce back. But yeah, thumb stud deployment is also nice and satisfying. It does not lock the blade in place, so that's why you can open it with your thumb effortlessly, just like that. On the blade, you have the CJRB logo right there. Right, so that's nice. And J1925 on the blade here, stone washed. This thing, I like the shape of it. This very, very nice shape to it. Can't really complain. And again, look at the action right here. Look at this, right? That is nice and loose. Yep, ball bearings for sure. That makes sense. That's why it is so nice. And I'll tell you, this knife got Knife of the Year in 2022 for a reason. And I can see that. I can see why. I mean, it opens and closes so well. And even to close it, like, look how easy it is to close. Doesn't really require much of an effort, right? And only thing I wish it had was a flipper, so you could have that option as well. Only thing that the SENCUT counterparts here offer, right, that would be a competition is the additional flipper opening, right, approach, right? Can you do a reverse flick with this guy? Well, no, let's give it a try. Let's see. Oh, I'm feeling you can. Let me see. All right, if I can get my big, there it is, get my big index finger out of the way. Oh my goodness, the sound on that. Oh, look at that. That is reverse opening all the way. You certainly can, and with a little bit of practice, I'm sure you might be able to do it a lot smoother than that. But again, this is right off the box, some first impressions, right? I'm trying to, work on my index finger not getting in the way. There it is, right? But yeah, you get the thumb opening, reverse flick, button opening right here, right? Look at do that all day. For whatever reason, I'm not sure why. I expected it to be a little bit heavier. I know my RUIKE feels a little bit heavier. That's not a reflection on the, maybe the materials perhaps. We'll get some exact measurements as far as weights and measurements and things like that when we do the review. Again, you guys already know how it works in the channel. I do a quick unboxing, some quick first reactions, and then, I EDC the knife for a couple of weeks, a week or two, so that way you guys can get a comprehensive review once I have experienced the knife for a little while. But yeah, this thing is, I can see where, and again, it doesn't take that much of an effort to close it. You just give it a little bit of a push. I mean, a little bit of a flick of the wrist, and that is it. It closes like butter. Deep carry pocket clip, it doesn't get in the way of the lanyard hole, so that's pretty neat right there that it does that, if the camera will focus, of course. There it is. And yeah, nice deep carry. I'm really liking this old stone wash stainless steel finish for sure. This is the option to go for me. Is the blade aligned right off the bat? I don't know, you guys be the judge of that. It looks pretty centered. That looks pretty centered to me. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, because that is spot on right out of the box. Aside from that, ergonomics, let's see, 4 fingers, right? All 4 fingers right here. Everything is able to, all fingers are able to grip the handle. And yeah, it feels nice and comfortable on the hand. The pocket clip does not get in the way at all. Looks like you have a forward finger choil right here, which you could take advantage of if you wanted to, right there. So yeah, it seems like that will work as well if you wanted to, grab the knife like that or like this. I'm not sure, but yeah, they got the option for the forward finger choil, some chimping going on right here at the top, of course, make things nice and easy to grip right there. But I'm telling you guys, this stone wash right here, I feel like my fingerprints stay on the RUIKE a lot more than they do on this guy, so it definitely has that going for it. But yeah, I'm telling you, this thing is like a dream. I can't wait to EDC this guy and come back with some impressions for you all. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos? Right, those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades. All right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel. But what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with you know, all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. Right, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is, but I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? Well, you could do it both-handed. How about that, all right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have two of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the Ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super, super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You could fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace. Made some shortcut openings here. This is a CRJV.
Say what?
This is a CJRB, try to say that 10 times fast, CJRB knife. This one is the Pyrite. Check out the card up there on the top right. But yeah, we're talking button locks, and yeah, this is as good as it gets. Today we have another addition.